Okay guys, you welcome back to my channel. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, do subscribe. Like my video. You can also share my video. Okay guys, I'm going to be sharing with you the way I preserve my yam at home. If you are the type of person that always buy a lot of yam or a quantity of yam, the way you can preserve it at home, this is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. Okay, please relax, sit down, take your time and watch this video to the ending so that you will be able to preserve your yam at home. Okay, so that it will not get spoiled. You know, if you leave it on the floor or you keep it on the ground, it may get spoiled. So use this method to preserve your yam. Okay, so let's start, guys. Just going to peel them, wash them and preserve them in my deep freezer. Okay, so stay tuned, relax, take your time to watch this video to the ending so that you will see the way I preserve my yams. Okay guys, so let's start peeling the yams. So I'm just going to start cutting the yams and peeling them. Okay, so stay tuned. You can see I'm putting water in my bowl. This is the way I preserve my yams. So I'm just going to cut. Okay, this way it will be easy to peel it. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. See, this is the yam. You can also do this at home. With this, the yam will not get spoiled. Okay. Just peel it one by one. Is it? The yam is very fresh. Okay. Okay, this is the second one. Just going to cut also. You can see the yam. Already cut it into smaller pieces, as you can see. So I just peel it off. So I've already peeled them, just for me to wash it and put it in the deep. You can see I'm going to cut. This is the last one. This is the way I like to cut my yams. Okay guys, try this method. You see, it's very easy to go. This is very easy to go. Okay guys, I've already peeled it already. I'm just going to wash. Okay, this is my yams. Okay, this is the yam. I'm just going to wash it and take off the water, and then I preserve it in my deep freezer. Okay, this is it. Okay guys, I'm going to wash the yams. You can see I've already peeled it off. Now I'm just going to wash it and take off the water. And like this, you are good to go. Okay guys, this is it. Preserve your yams. You can see it's very clean. This is the way I preserve my yams. Okay, you can see I've already washed it. Then I put it in a nylon. I'm just going to preserve it like this. Okay, I'm going to preserve it like this. So, okay guys, this is my yam. I'm just going to preserve it in my deep freezer. With this, it can stay for like 6 months, 4 months. It depends the quantity of the yam you are preserving. Okay guys, if you find my video useful, please comment down below and share and like my video. Do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. As you do so, God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye bye.